Hello guys, welcome again to my channel, Learn Bahasa Indonesia channel. Now we have Just Listen and Say, lesson 2. The just listen and say here is the questions that maybe you find it in the airport or in whatever situation when you in Indonesia. Maybe you can ask Indonesian people back about these questions that you are going to hear, so you can understand the meaning. Okay, the situation here, we are going to pretend that we are at the airport immigration. Okay, here we go. This is the questions that I think most question for us at the immigration, or maybe when we are in Indonesia, if we know somebody, maybe we can ask this question too. So we have a conversation with an Indonesian native. Okay, we start with the first questions. Apa tujuan Anda berkunjung? Apa tujuan Anda berkunjung? Say it. Apa tujuan Anda berkunjung? Okay, we are going to break it down. Apa? Say it. Apa? Tujuan. 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 Apa tujuan? Anda. 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 Berkunjung. 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 Apa tujuan Anda berkunjung? What is the purpose of your visit? Say it again. Apa tujuan Anda berkunjung? Next questions. Berapa lama akan tinggal di negara ini? Berapa lama akan tinggal di negara ini? We are going to break it. Berapa? Berapa? Lama. 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 Berapa lama? Akan. 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 Tinggal. 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 Di negara. Di negara. Di negara. Di negara. Ini. Ini. Berapa lama akan tinggal di negara ini? Once again. Berapa lama akan tinggal di negara ini? In English, how long will you stay in this country? Next questions. Di mana Anda akan tinggal? Di mana Anda akan tinggal? Di mana Anda akan tinggal? We are going to break it down. Di mana? Di mana? Anda. Anda. Akan. Akan. Tinggal. Tinggal. Di mana Anda akan tinggal? Di mana Anda akan tinggal? Di mana Anda akan tinggal? Where will you stay? Apakah Anda bepergian sendiri? Apakah Anda bepergian sendiri? We are going to break it. Apakah, apakah, apakah Anda, Anda bepergian, 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 sendiri, sendiri, sendiri. Apakah Anda bepergian sendiri? Apakah Anda bepergian sendiri? Are you traveling alone? Okay, we go on. Apakah tiket pulang Anda sudah dibeli? 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 Apakah? Apakah? Tiket. Tiket. Pulang. Pulang. Anda. Anda. Sudah. Sudah. Dibeli. 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 Apakah tiket pulang Anda sudah dibeli? Apakah tiket pulang Anda sudah dibeli? Apakah tiket pulang Anda sudah dibeli? So, this is just say it. You don't have to think about the pronunciation so logically. Hear and say it. That's it. Apakah tiket pulang Anda sudah dibeli? Have you purchased your return ticket? Have you purchased your return ticket? Next. Apakah Anda punya saudara di sini? Apakah Anda punya saudara di sini? Apakah Anda punya saudara di sini? We are going to break it. Apakah Anda punya saudara di sini? Apakah Anda punya saudara di sini? Apakah Anda punya saudara di sini? Do you have any relatives here? So the pronunciation I say to you is the formal pronunciation, but maybe when you were in Indonesia, maybe you have a different question but have the same meaning with this. For example, here we said, apakah Anda punya saudara di sini? So when you are in Indonesia, maybe our people said, punya saudara di sini. Only these three words. And this eliminated. Because Indonesian people love to talk shortly but meaningful. We don't have to say the correct or the formal way to say it, how to say it supposed to be, because we are in speaking daily. But in this channel also I will teach you how to speak daily conversation in Indonesia that very different with the formal language. maybe you have ever known. But that is a further planning. Okay, so apakah Anda punya saudara di sini? Apakah Anda punya saudara di sini? Do you have any relatives here? Okay guys, that's it. Thank you for joining me. I hope you can understand, and don't forget, practice it. Bye bye. See you again.